Greetings, this is Xpressionz. I'm calling the Dancehall Professor. I am the creator and the director of the Bartender. So, we're here at the chill spot, Dancehall Hostel. And you don't know, sir, we're going to talk about the Bartender road trip to Trelawny, to the other Dancehall Hostel, which is the Dancehall Cottage. So, you know how we start. Once we go up on a road trip, we have to wait until everybody gather. See it? So we call this the gathering.
No, Deirdre, you have to do something. You have to stop. Look at people over here.
Look at people.
Let me
Look at people over this side.
Drinking still going on my side.
Water.
Oh,
Outside.
Water.
Everything is rum.
Water.
When everybody reaches the gathering spot, you have some people who are outside of Kingston. So if we go pick them up, we touch the road and we're going to pick up the vibesiest person in the Bartender cast. Tell me who that is. I give you 2 guesses. I wait for it. You guess it?
I mean, first ever say it. Yes, like this.
Oh, you want first one in there?
No, okay.
That's so bad.
Watch out, see if you can tear up like.
So the final meeting spot was the Texaco, a central village. Seeing everybody together. So all a little vibe, but as a rule, anytime we leave Kingston, if we go anywhere at all, we always have to ask for journeying mercies. You know we ask for prayer. We're not gonna be surprised when you see who actually do the prayer.
Yo, what my $100 gonna do?
Sky said, is it orphans that wants me to come or is it just random people?
The Bartender road trip officially starts now. So we hit the highway on the way to the young tree. We make a stop, Rears, Fishing Village. Father Love, big up yourself. Reggae Kitchen. Hosted 12 of us. It was a real vibe. You think I lie there tell? Watch for yourself.
Where's the call of my track? How much are we got? I'm not turning. Watch our smile.
Yeah, you can see that smile, look.
I say, I can't have a serious coke then, yeah.
Oh, me don't turn me over for advertisement.
It looks like a proper coke.
Smirnoff smell. How do you smell? Must be the owner. And Smirnoff responsibly.
We're not, not get a job.
The galang thing is so
Not get a job.
So after Reggae Kitchen, it's time to go to Trelawny. Because now, we've got a Dancehall Hostel Cottage. Everybody frost. Pop down. We stop, we get some bugs, we just put in at the place. When we reach the cottage, the man them start to clear. Them now sleep beside no man. How that go work? And then there's the issue of blowing up the bed. I mean here say a dog bed is a below the bed. I don't know how that go. But watch and see what go on.
Across the bridge, there be no pain. The sun will shine across the river. Never be uncomfortable again.
Frosisha.
Leave me alone, leave me alone.
Yeah, just put the back seat and take them up because it have the time when it say, you know what, I ain't gonna work for you.
I like what's right there.
Two man not upon nothing.
No, man.
Me and no man not upon nothing. Me and no man not upon nothing.
Why can't you skip one more one man?
No,
Why are you outside naked?
Let's say, yo, too late.
you lie or no? You are man upon bed. I need my money. I have to go and well. No, me and no man not upon nothing. My in there. So if you want to listen to that woman, I don't want to young boy like you. That they call it? Yeah. Go for that. Let's say that.
Put the eyeliner, fear of this, and write on the paper.
Exactly. Let me do. Get my paper.
Orange juice.
You know what is here?
Yeah. We'll pop the jump off the bed.
Who are there?
Mommy.
Your mommy?
Yeah.
Where your mommy there? Go and go show me her. Go and go show me her. Go and go show me her mommy. Go on now. Where she there? Is she your mommy?
You take out the episode here.
Some bodyguard, Nikki.
So is it true that Kavan outside here blow a bed?
Yes.
No, I'm not blowing a bed, people. I pump me a pump a bed. Pump a bed, I create a pump. I blow. And if me that blow, I could blow this.
Everybody have to take our turn.
Take turn.
And if I... Hey,
Be last
say,
again. You ever blow before? This for 5 minutes.
you know, so this look cute. That bed is so cute at all.
Just get a bigger dog then.
It look like good with your own, and you just out and go some bigger bed.
Bigger dog bed.
I owe you. Oh, I owe you.
Yes. That's why I said talk about your money. Yeah,
Kill She drop asleep.
Jen, I think that's it.
Now, baby, go. You see one in your life?
You can have the bingo.
Yeah, baby, go.
Yes.
Okay, I'll try to do that.
A 6 foot was up, you know. A 6 book and try to get out of
Why are you so shouting?
I'm not shouting. What is wrong with you?
Six, we're gonna say.
Always so shouting. That's what she stay.
You come on.
You
get the charger?
Yeah, I gave it to her already.
I'm gonna say it for being said. What is it?
Big more fish.
Saturday morning, everybody pop down. So you know the adult them have to get up and go get some stuff for breakfast. We're 5 minutes away from Falmouth Town. Believe me, a very historic place. Guess who was with tour guide? Now shop it. We just go look some things, get some history about the town, and then forward, it was there. Breakfast.
Well, we're presently in the town of Falmouth. As you can see, if you look to the right of us right now, or to your right, you'll see the Falmouth historic pier. That's where all the foreigners come. But come to this side, because we're going to go check out some of the more popular historic sites. Like I said before, we are in the town of Falmouth. So let's go. Enjoy. All right?
My lord, what do I name? Flacco. Big up yourself, my lord. Yeah, give me a little bit of the history of Falmouth. What you say about Falmouth?
Well, Falmouth is a historical place.
Yeah.
Okay, the most historical building in the world.
Yeah, man.
And Trelawny, you get water before America.
So Trelawny get water before America.
Yeah.
Running water, that you know.
Running water, history.
Yeah, Albert George.
Yeah, historical building. I don't remember which year exactly the man found.
Seen.
A couple of years away before the man.
Subscribe, like, and share. You know what I said? Anyway, with that.
Side has to go.
Can you come over here and play supervisor?
No, but I will be planning this. It's a restaurant.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
You know what? I don't want any, right? I don't want
Ask, and it shall be given.
After breakfast was consumed and digested, next stop, Maltabray River. Them have rafting. The river cold like ice, but it was a vibe. So you know, so we head out to the river just to have some real bartender fun.
Mr. Director, how you feeling?
Feel good, man. Bartender road trip. I mean, river.
You enjoy yourself?
Yeah, man, I enjoy myself.
We're now leaving the Dancehall Hostel Cottage in Falmouth. But remember, on October 25th, 6 p.m., we have the season 3 premiere. So make sure it's on a day. Bye.
Hey, you ready? Bartender season 3 premiering October 25th. Make sure you're ready, you know.
Shopping! You're ready?
Ciao.
Oh, yo. I wanted to check out Bartender season premiere, you know. October 25th, 6 p.m.
Mr. Brother, you know, this is what nobody wants to say. Yo, Bartender, we must watch the season premiere, you know, when? October 25th, 6 p.m. Make sure you're there. Nah, left the
Let me say bird, brother.
Yo,
Man, really have the bird.
October 25th. Bartender season 3. But I have no more to say. Just make sure you tune in 6 p.m. I'm on thing.
Oh, Carlton.
What?
You can say the thing I'm gonna ask you for, sir, please. Yeah.
What? Say season 3, Bartender season 3 premiere October 25th at 6 o'clock. That's what I'm gonna say?
Yeah. General, brother.
Ready. Where the blood?
Thanks for joining us for the Bartender road trip. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for everything Xpressionz JA. See? Next up, remember, so we are going to do win a date with. Which cast member would you like to win a date with? Just say it in the comments below. See? And look out for the premiere, season 3, episode 1, October 25th. It's about epic. Bartender, don't let me drink run out. See you.
Everybody say bartender.